Hey folks, C. Rakshana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to the IPO video of Will I Apply for DCX Systems Limited IPO, right? I'm going to quickly share my screen so that I am able to quickly tell you about what does the company do in brief, and I'll also talk about some key points about the company, some finances related important points, the subscription status, a lot of points we'll be talking about in this video right away, right? So first of all, if you want to check out this blog, generally what we do these days is that we keep on uploading blogs on our website every single day. So if you just go to our website, rachnaranade.com, this is the main website, right? Here you have the blog section. You just have to click on that, and here you will see that every single day a lot of blogs are uploaded, and we also talk about technical analysis in each and every day's blog, right? So with that, as of now, let's get quickly started with DCX Systems IPO. What is the company into? Company is among the leading Indian players in the manufacturing of electronic subsystems and cable harnesses. So if you were to understand what is this electronic subsystem and cable harnesses, this is what something can look like. If you have seen the inside part of the CPU, you can see such wires, and they are connected with each other, and this is what company manufactures. But this is just one of the points that the company manufactures. So here you can see companies into three major points: systems integration, cables and wire harnesses, and kitting. Okay, so kitting is one point. Second one, cable and wire harnesses, this is what I told you, this is the second one. And the third one, which is most important, almost 85% of the revenue comes up from that, is systems integration. Now what could system integration be? So just to give you a simple example, just kids are playing downstairs, so you might hear some noise from below. So going back to what is system integration, you might have seen assembled PCs. So assume that I'm buying the hard disk from party. I'm buying whatever, some wires from other party. I'm buying the motherboard from some other parties, the RAM from some other party, and finally I'm assembling that into one unit. Now this is what I'm, so even the software licenses I'm buying from other party. So question is that, is the system now integrated? Can the parts really communicate with each other? Can they act as one single unit, is the big question, right? And that is nothing but what the company does, the system integration. So what they will do, they will know, acha, this part is to be brought from this client, this part is to be brought from this. They'll assemble it, they'll do a nice assembly, and they'll ensure that the system is up and running. It is integrated as one single unit, and it is functioning properly. They can also customize it as per the needs of the customer, right? So this is it about what are the major revenue streams for the company. I hope you have understood the three major points. Now, one very important point that comes up is that this company is among the preferred Indian offset partners for defense and aerospace industry. Now, those who have seen my video on defense, top three stocks from defense sector, you already know about why I'm so much bullish on the defense sector. Pooja, if you're there on the stream, if you can just paste the link of that video here, so that if you have not checked out that video, you can immediately see the link of that video and have a look and understand why defense is important in the coming one decade, right? So if I'm saying that this company is a preferred Indian offset partner, now what do we mean by that? Simple example. If we are giving a contract to a foreign party, okay, so here you can see D6 key system, okay, anyways, from Israel, let us say, if we are giving any contract to some Israeli company, okay, what we tell them is that, okay, you manufacture the part for us, but if anything is to be done for the repairs and maintenance of that part, our company will do that. Okay, if there is any servicing that is required, our company will do that. So basically what will happen is that the the product might be manufactured outside India, but when it comes to some repairs, maintenance, servicing, some smaller portions of that will be done in India. And which company? This can be one of the company which does that, and that is why we say it's a preferred Indian offset partner. Now, here, when we are saying this, here, same point I've given, whenever a foreign company wins a defense deal, it is supposed to invest a part of the contract value in the country. Okay, helps in developing skills, bringing in technology, will also generate employment, and DCX system is one of the preferred companies with such companies, right? So all in all, you can imagine that if defense and aerospace sector as a whole grows, if we are giving a lot of contracts even abroad, some part of that is going to come back to India, and this DCX Systems, DCX Systems Limited can definitely get some benefit out of that, right? Now, if I were to go and understand some key points about the finances, here you can see revenue is clearly going in an upward trend, profit is also growing in an upward trend, but EBITDA margins are a little bit on and off, even earnings ratios are a little bit, so they are not going straight up. That is one point where you can be like, acha, this is one kind of a negative point, right? If you're talking about how much is the return on net worth, it is 55.8%. This is the highest as compared to any of its peers. And if I'm talking about the PE ratio for this year, you can see that the PE at a price band of 20, highest price band is at 22.52, and it is the, I mean, this is like the lowest among the peers, because here also you can see PE. BEL 32, Data Patterns is 61, Paras is 84, Astra is 73, Centrum not mentioned. So PE for this company is 22.52. So good one. They have also left some space for upside on listing. Okay. Any risks, litigations? So yes, company derives 97% of its revenue from top three customers. So it's more like a concentration risk that the company has. Any defense policy changes can again lead to some setback for the company, and company also has a negative operating cash flow. You can very clearly see, be it on a standalone basis or be it from a consolidated basis, company has a negative operating cash flow. Now, for those who have done my course on fundamental analysis, you very well know that if a company is having a negative operating cash flow, that is not considered to be a positive sign. See, cash flow from operations is like the core operations, how much money the company gets from the core operations. That itself is negative. I definitely see that as a negative point, and I would want to see the company generate positive operating cash flows, and then, I mean, it can be a good one for the longer term perspective. What about the IPO details? Issue closes today, that is on the 2nd of November, and it's a, here you can see issue size is 500 crores. As a retail individual investor, you can apply for maximum 13 lots. Super important. Last point now. As on 2nd November 2022, 11 a.m. Abhi, matlab, till 10 minutes ago, IPO was subscribed 5.26 times, already oversubscribed. The GMP, grey market premium, is at 85 right now, and whereas the price band offered by the company is 197 to 210. So as per the GMP, we can expect a good listing. As I mentioned, is there a scope for valuation? Yes, they have not valued it very high. Financials are also not that bad. Risk, top three, I believe that is ought to be there, because anyways they are into more and more of specialization, so that is also possible. Revenue mix is also not that bad. I feel all in all, this company is good, not only from the product perspective, not only from the finances, but very important from the valuation perspective as well. So am I going to apply? The $1 million question, and answer is yes. I'm going to apply for this stock IPO, and not only from one account, but I'm going to apply for this IPO from all my 5 accounts. As I mentioned, all in all, company business model looks good, financials look good, very important. Valuation is also at the right place, is what I feel. And defense, I feel being at a good place right now. I have also done a separate video. Pooja has already pasted the link. You can check out the link. Do watch the defense sector video so you understand why I'm so much convinced about this one. So surely you can, you can think about this. You can do your own study as well. Sherman is asking, is this a wow category stock? There are some negative points as well, Sherman, but definitely I can say on face right now, I feel that this does give me some space for listing gains as well. Will I be holding it for the long term? My answer is no. Reason is simple. I would want the company to first prove itself into the operating cash flow segment. If the company goes positive in operating cash flows, then I might rethink of re-entering the stock and maybe keeping it for the long term and all that. As of now, I would be more interested in this company from a listing gain perspective, right? One more important point is that many people keep on asking which good stocks, which are the fundamentally strong stocks, and for that, everyone, I hope you know about this, that I do have a pro investor special membership which is there on YouTube otherwise, but YouTube does not offer yearly membership, and there were a lot of people who were asking me that, Rashna, if you can offer a yearly membership as well. Every time, going ahead with uh, all these points wherein we talk about renewing every single month, and that's a little bit of pain. So that is the reason why I have come up with Pro Investor membership, and this is a yearly membership. You can enroll this. Otherwise, the cost would come to 4,800. If you're going ahead for yearly membership, it would come to 4,500. And if you want, you can also apply the coupon code which you just might have seen in the blog as well, the IPO blog. So if you want, you can additionally get a 5% discount on the yearly Pro Investor membership. Stock of the month will be, this is the coupon code for you all. Stock of the month for the month of November is going to be uploaded on 5th of November, this Saturday. The name of the company I've already declared in the community tab post as well as on my website. You might have gotten a notification, so you can surely check that out from our, then we won't be able to chat in your live stream as chat is available. Agreed, Sharman. But then you are also going to get one Zoom meeting per quarter as an additional benefit. And maybe over the coming 1 or 2 months, I would keep some streams maybe. So I do live streams every Thursday, right? So four Thursday live streams I do. Two I might keep open for all, and two I might keep open for only members. So we'll try to mix and match. Don't worry on that, Sharman. We will come up with some midway ground, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this. Just in case if you joined late, I am going to apply for this IPO not only through one, two, but through all the 5 accounts. Name of the company is DCX Systems Limited. That's it from my side. I'll see you till then. Take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.